Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kraken Koi. First, you'll need to understand their unique characteristics and rarity within the game. Next, we'll dive into the specific in-game requirements you must meet to acquire them. Finally, I'll share optimal strategies for successful breeding or capture, ensuring you can add this magnificent creature to your collection. Let's get started on your journey to obtaining the elusive Kraken Koi. To begin, you must reach a specific player level or complete certain prerequisite quests. These steps unlock the ability to even attempt acquiring a Kraken Koi. Next, gathering the necessary resources is crucial. This often includes rare bait or special in-game items. Finally, ensure your habitat is perfectly suited to their environmental needs, providing the ideal conditions for them to thrive once acquired. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, just like you'll want to keep your in-game resources organized. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's talk strategy. One highly effective method involves focusing on breeding specific parent combinations. This significantly increases your chances. Another approach is to utilize advanced fishing techniques in designated, often hidden, areas where Kraken Koi are known to appear. Don't forget to participate in special in-game events, as these sometimes offer unique opportunities to acquire this rare creature.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.